Hello everyone. In today's video, we are comparing two powerful AI tools, the Gemini and Gemini Advanced. If you are wondering which one is better choice for your needs, this video is for you. So let's dive into the features and see how they stack up. So first, let's look at the core features of both. So Gemini offers a streamlined experience for AI tasks like generating text, automating workflows, and basic AI integration. Now, Gemini Advanced, on the other hand, takes it a step further with enhanced processing speed, additional integration options, and a more advanced natural language understanding. So, when it comes to usability, both tools are fairly intuitive, but Gemini is aimed at beginners or users with simpler needs. Gemini Advanced, while more powerful, may require a bit more expertise to fully take advantage of its capabilities. Now, in terms of pricing, pricing is another important factor. Gemini is more budget friendly, making it a great option if you are looking for essential AI functions at a lower cost. While the Gemini Advanced is a bit more expensive but offers more advanced features, making it worth investment for power users. Lastly, let's talk about their performance. Gemini is a solid for everyday AI tasks, but if you are handling larger, more complex projects, Gemini Advanced is faster and more reliable. It is ideal for businesses or users looking to scale their AI usage. Now, in conclusion, if you are looking for a simple, cost-effective AI, Gemini is a great option. Now, but if you need more power, speed, and advanced features, Gemini Advanced is the better choice. So that is the comparison between Gemini and Gemini Advanced. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.